Megan, tell us what's happening. Okay.
A water.
This is Eleanor, who lives in the neighborhood, who will explain to us what's going on.
There was a water truck that was on its way and got stuck in the snow. So now there's a bulldozer digging out a path for it and digging it out of the snow.
Okay. Let's get a video of how the street looks and how much snow there really is. Jump up on top of there. See how high up you guys can go to the side. Very nice, ladies.
Done.
Let's check out the perspective. How's the bulldozer doing?